How to fix Redmi Note 13 won't send text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then click on manage apps and search here messages. And click on storage. Now here you can check your messages storage. After clear your messages storage, then go back and check your internet connection. After checking your network connection, then open about and check your software updates. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and then click on more connectivity options and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can do reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.